Hi kids, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today let's learn alphabet. So let's go. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for crab. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. Z. Z for gorilla. H. H for house. I. I for ice cream. J. J for jellyfish. K. K for kettle. L. L for lion. M. M for mango. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. P. P for panda. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for strawberry. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watermelon. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Bye kids.